continues to not protect their workers from workplace hazards. This has to be corrected immediately.
Commonplace. Someone gets hurt, maybe even killed at work. OSHA investigates, and maybe the company gets a fine.
Look guys, the shop is just going to crap. Furthermore, your productivity really needs to come up drastically. And last but not least, I need you guys to follow all OSHA regulations as stated in the employee handbook. Can you three do that for me, please? So boss man thinks that productivity is very low in the shop. Well, I got something for that. You guys just got to make your own safety boots that's got rollerblades attached to them. Check that out. I'm gonna show you how I made it.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving.
Okay, guys, obviously that was a big joke. Hey, what can I say? I like to have fun during Christmas, but be sure if you work in a shop, make sure you follow all OSHA procedures and policies that are set forth by the government, of course, unfortunately. But anyways, if you want that productivity to come up, get yourself some rollerblades. No, I'm just kidding. But anyways, if you enjoyed the episode, please like, comment, share the video if you like, and happy holidays of 2022, and have a great new year, and we'll just have to see you next time. Peace.